Sir, yo.
Come on. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's go. Here, you go up. You go up, Mommy will go up. What is it? What is the mama's one? Is it, baby? Come here, honey. Come right here, baby.
Pretty sure every family has that one kid who loves to help like this. Dad, can you confirm? Well, if I get photobombed by someone this cute, I won't complain.
At your feet.
Oh my God! Oh God! God, no! Oh, that's scary. That's scary.
Top one way to get a girlfriend. Stick to her like glue.
You're just so good at that, buddy.
Alright buddy, being too friendly with your greetings might give people the wrong idea.
What?
Hippos can surprisingly move fast in water, up to 8 kilometers an hour, so don't challenge them.
흑조 야만 혼자 흑조?
Talabit! Oh my God!
Looks like this mum has picked her mobile grocery cart for the week's food run.
Patty, that's your food? Free to look right?
No. Be nice. Come on now. Jerk. Jerk. Rude.
Like a wallet.
No, really. Because like that's
Customer service at max level be like, Girl, learn to eat gently if you want to look like a true lady. Regarde. Là, chut. Oh putain, les mecs. La vache. Bouge pas. Oh. Elephant be like, hey, I just wanted to take you all to my place. Why are you running? When you and your best friend reunite after summer break. Since you're beautiful, better get used to being followed like this.
You grabbed my hair so hard. Don't! No! Don't get me. Why are you being so mean to me? Huh?
When random animals decide your family and there's no turning back.
Get off of me.
Liking her is fine, but tailing a girl this much is not the smartest move, bro.
Oh, biting on my pants. Get away from me. It's still chasing me with a boat. It's still chasing me.
Ma io mai visto, ma è una cosa incredibile.
Ma guarda che meraviglia.
Ma non si può.
Seems like guys always get drawn to the girl with the best snacks.
I am the owner of the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu.
Such adorable and funny moments, right? Don't miss the next video.